Hey guys, Morgan here, the Carolina Disney girl, and it's unboxing time. We have another box, so let's get right into it. What we have is actually a Boxy Charm box. Like I've said in a previous video, we did start doing the subscription again. The last one I was really excited about. It was all really great stuff. I do have to say, the night cream in the previous box, which you can see in the video, that was worth over $100. I've used it and it is nice. But yeah, once that bottle's gone, I won't be spending another $100. But anyway, let's get into this one. So this is, of course, the October box. I just want to point out they actually put like orange foam, which I thought was really cool for Halloween. And the theme is Under Your Spell. So, yeah, let's take a look at what we have. So, first thing is Bazy Beauty eyeshadow primer that I'm just throwing around, evidently. So this is an eyelid primer base formulated with hemp seed oil to moisturize and maximize color intensity for a crease-free look that lasts up to 12 hours. It's by Basic Beauty, which that totally looked like a Z. I am a huge fan of eyeshadow primer. I don't put eyeshadow on without it. So that is it. So always excited to try a new primer. And by the way, this is worth $18. And next we have Som Institute Transport. It's a treatment pads. It's exfoliating glycolic acid pads. Gently exfoliate and treat your skin to take it to a whole new level. Powered by MDT5, which is trademarked. These soft, saturated cotton pads are designed to help improve skin tone, texture, and clarity with an 8% buffered AH formula that gently exfoliates dead cells of the skin surface. And this is worth $65. Always good to have something that new to try. Very minimalistic packaging. It is sealed just because I don't know like how, if there's like leftover liquid and I don't want to make a mess, I'm not going to open it. But I actually am excited to give it a try and see how it works. So that will be fun. Okay, Natasha Denona Cupid Cheek Duo. So it looks like we got a blush highlighter right here. So this says it's a perfect pairing of Natasha's iconic cheek formulas. This duo features a lightweight hydrating cream blush and a luminous powder highlighter in 2 shades that flatter all skin tones. Both formulas can be applied with a brush or fingertips. All you need for on-the-go glow. So, and I feel like we've gotten a palette, like an eye palette from them before. This is worth $42, by the way. That's the color. So, of course, you've got the highlighter here and the blush. Ooh, that does feel creamy. The blush is very light. And there's the highlighter. So that will be fun to play with. I'm definitely more of a highlighter than a blush person lately. So, let's see, what else do we have? We have Skin Ink Serum Glow Filter. So, ooh. It's got like the little bubbles in it. It just looks interesting. So Blending beauty and technology in one bottle, this clever concoction is formulated with rare gold hibiscus extract and Skin Inc.'s top 2 best-selling serums. I'm probably going to butcher this first one. Niacinamide and hyaluronic acid to give you a selfie filter in real life. It's perfect for every day and uses light reflective technology to enable external light to bounce off your complexion for a glowy, pearlized, even finish. So this is worth $50. So you're supposed to do 1 to 2 pumps before your makeup as a primer to brighten skin, even skin tone, and help reduce the appearance of fine lines. I definitely will try this. My only thing, when it's like the description on here is almost too good to be true. So I'm willing to try it. And I do like that the cap is on here, because I hate when I want to take stuff with me when I travel and I got to worry about it going all over the place. So I'm intrigued, but I'm skeptical just because it sounds a little too good to be true. And I've got one more thing. Frank Body Perky Sculpting Body Hydrator. I'm your dream cream with the double shot of coffee. So right there we've got a little booty on there. So this feeling flat, Perky will perk you up. It's a sculpting moisturizer for smooth and hydrated skin, packed with caffeine to firm your favorite assets, acai to give you a boost, shea butter to hydrate, and long seed extract to sculpt your body. Also comes in a reusable coffee cup to rinse when you're done for coffee on the run. Okay. So I have to admit, like, the cup is cute. You can't really tell, but it does say "but first coffee." I'm not a coffee drinker. I am a hot tea kind of person. There is a little booty print there that's just like the packaging. I have to admit, though, the idea of once I'm done with the moisturizer in here, rinsing it out and using it for my drink is a little odd. So I'm willing to try the lotion, but I don't know if I'm going to use the cup afterwards. And this is $22. So I like the concept of, like, the packaging is reusable. But yeah, it's a little odd. Like, there's basically there's lotion in here now. And you're telling me that I'm going to be able to, like, clean all of it out enough to drink. I would worry that there'd be some, like, microscopic bit left. But I'm still going to try it. I just don't know if I'm going to drink out of it. Maybe I'll use it to hold my pens or something. Like, I will reuse it. But that's everything in the box. So, as always, we're going to take handy dandy phone, pull up the calculator. So the Perky lotion is $22. The Salm Institute Transport exfoliating glycolic acid pads are $65. The Natasha Dino Cheek Duo is $42. The Basic Beauty eyeshadow primer is $18. And the Skin Inc. Serum Glow Filter is $50. So that's $197. So that's probably like the lower end value wise of these boxes that we've gotten lately. Um, Last month's box I liked a whole lot better. Um, but there's stuff in here worth trying. Um, and like I said, I think the box, I think we're only paying like $25 a month for this. So, I mean, it's still a good deal. It's still cool to try new stuff. And we'll see what happens. I've definitely found some favorites in the boxes before. So, as always, let me know, did you guys get a Boxy Charm box this month? Did you get something different than I got in my box? And what did you get? And if you got the same things, have you found a favorite yet? As always, I do appreciate you guys watching these videos. I like doing them, so I hope you guys like watching them. And I will see you guys next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.